So today we're going to look at the Concept 6 review problems. I'm going to go through a few of these, and then if you need me to go through any additional problems, just send me an email or comment on Google Classroom, and I can upload more videos going through more of these problems if needed. So the directions say to look at each equation and identify the slope and the y-intercept below. By looking at each equation, there are two answers for each problem. It's saying that there are two answers for each problem because it wants you to give the slope and the y-intercept. So let's take a look at problem number 1. We're given the equation y equals 2x plus 4. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Remember where m is the slope and b is where it crosses the y-axis or the y-intercept. So in our problem, our slope, or m, is 2. It's the number multiplied in front of x. And our y-intercept, the number added on the end, is 4. Let's do one more. Let's look at question 9. And question 9 really is just giving us, so it says, use what you've learned to write the slope-intercept form and then answer each question. And so really number 9 is just giving us the equation. And so the equation is 2x plus 4y equals 12. So then 10 says, well, write the equation in slope-intercept form, meaning solve for y. So to begin solving for y, I need to get y by itself. So I need to get rid of this x term, and it's an entire 2x. So I'm going to subtract 2x over to the other side. And what I mean by that is the other side of the equal sign. So I'm left with a positive 4y equals negative 2x plus 12. That 12 was positive, so it's going to be added on the end. I cannot combine the negative 2x and the 12, remember, because they're not like terms. Now continuing to put this into slope-intercept form where I have just y equals, I need to get rid of the 4. So in order to do that, I'm going to divide by 4 because it's being multiplied. And I'm left with y equals, and I end up with negative 2x divided by 4. Really, that's like doing negative 2 divided by 4, and the x just being written behind it, and then 12 divided by 4. So it's like taking each of those number pieces and dividing them individually by 4. Doing a little bit of simplifying, I get negative 1/2 x plus 3. So now parts 11 and 12 from the review set say what is the slope and then what is the y-intercept. Our slope would be the number multiplied in front of x, which is negative 1/2, and our y-intercept is the number added on the end, so positive 3. All right, if there are more review problems that you would like me to go through, just let me know, but hopefully this is enough to address some questions you might be having with Concept 6.